Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful rustic door wreath using durable lab fabric. The project is eco-friendly, budget-friendly and totally beginner-friendly. Whether you are decorating for Christmas, fall or just want farmhouse style charm, just this jute wreath will bring a cozy handmade vibes to your home. So viewers, grab your material and let's begin. For this craft you will need a wreath base. You can use wire foam or even a cardboard cutout, jute or below fabric strips, hot glue gun or craft glue, scissor, some extra decorations like ribbon, ornaments, beads, artificial flowers or pine cones. Everything is super simple and affordable. You might even have most of these at home already. First take your jute below fabric and cut into a long strips. The strips don't need to be perfect. The rough edges actually add to the rustic charm. Now gently roll or fold the burlap strips so they become a little fluffy. This texture will give you red more volumes and cozy farmhouse look. If you want to neat it to finish, you can iron the strips or hem the edges with glue, but personally I love the raw natural feel of jute just as it is. Take your wreath base and start wrapping the burlap strips around its source the first and with the hot glue, then continue wrapping tightly until the base is fully covered. Overlap slightly as you go so no gaps are showing. If your strips and just glue it down and start with a new strip. At this stage you will already see the wreath taking shape, so simple yet so beautiful. Now comes the fun part, decorating your wreath for a Christmas look. Add red ribbon bells, a little ornaments for all fall look, and dried leaves, mini pumpkins or pine cones for an every farmhouse look. At natural ribbons, wooden beads or artificial greenery. Arrange your decoration before gluing so you can play with different design until you love the look. Glue everything in place securely. Don't worry it's look too simple. Remember, less the often more is rustic decor. Once all your decoration are glued, take a step back and admire your wreath. Add a loop of jute starting at the back so you can hang it on your door, and just like that your handmade lap wreath is ready to brighten up your entryway or entrance. I hope you enjoy this easy and creative DIY. This project is not only a great way to decorate your home but also a wonderful small business idea. You can make these wreaths and sell them at craft fairs, online shops, or even take custom order for wedding and seasonal decor like upcoming Christmas event and holidays. So we will, if you like our video and tutorial, So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more home decor ideas and tutorial videos. Please also post your comments and your thoughts. We will update you, so stay tuned our channel for more updates video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Happy holiday.